Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can make fading gradient using Photoshop. So just watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. So first of all, select the gradient tool and then select gradient editor. Now select the first point and set the opacity to 100 and choose the color to black. Now select the second point and then set the opacity to 0 and select the color to white. Now hit OK, and here we go. Now just simply drag and create a path below your object. And do it 2 to 3 times, and here we go. So you can say this is basically how you can make fading gradient edit using Photoshop. All for today's video guys. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.